Hello everyone, I want to give you a biogas hot water heater update. I did a little modification to the manifold and you can see now it's working like a hot water heater does. There we go. Hot water from food waste for free because of biogas. Maybe I can prop this up while I increase the pressure a little bit here. I have it on the auxiliary tank and it doesn't have as much pressure. Bear with me. See if I can prop it up here. So my tank's not completely full, but you can see there's an increase in flame. Just like your LP hot water heater. All from free, renewable food waste. There it is again. Looks like it's working pretty good to me.